Hello you guys, it's your girl Fenella Like Whoa, and welcome to my channel, the #1 place for fashion, hair, and branding on the internet. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of different shoes that I got. This was pre-corona shopping because I got laid off, you know, so I got all these things before I got laid off, you know. And it's so sad, this whole corona thing, because like now I can't even like stunt in these shoes that I had planned to like stunt in, but I still want to go in here and show you guys the shoes. The first shoe I have is this huge like mega heel from Dull Skill, okay? So Dull Skill is a site that's online. I'm gonna link all these shoes down below. And every time I like go on their site, like I'm always scared to buy, and if you go on their site, you'll see why. Everything just looks like so scary, so gothic, and that's just like so not me. But these shoes, I was actually influenced to buy these shoes because I saw them on an influencer that I follow, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're just so huge. And if you guys know me, I'm from the DMV area, and I love like huge like stripper high heels. Ever since I was in high school, I've always been wearing things that are like really high heels. These shoes were $88. I think I got them for 15 or 25% off if you sign up for their email list, but they retail at $88, and they're just so high, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, look at that heel, look at that heel, look at that heel, you guys. This is really nice just to give you some like length, make you look tall. They're very funky. They also come in red, and I didn't know which color to get, so I did a poll on Instagram, but as usual, just like how I can't choose, my followers couldn't choose either. But I ended up getting the black, and yeah, the red is cute too. I couldn't think of like what I would wear the red with if I got red, so I got black. Okay, y'all, so the next pair of heels I got are these beautiful strappy brown heels from Monika Chiang. These heels, you guys, like they just make your toes look cute. Even if you got like ugly toes, sis, your toes will look cute in this. Like, they're just really cute. I was so excited to wear these for the summer. Usually like something that's like brown isn't always something that I might go to, but brown, you know, looks really good on brown people actually. But also I just felt like I could wear this with a lot of different things, you know, and also my melanin and brown look good together. And I also wear a lot of gold, and has gold detailing in it. If you guys know, gold is my favorite color, and I really like the gold like detailing that it had. But also I have a bag that is like the same color, so I thought, you know, why not? These shoes are made in Italy, so they're a good shoe. These shoes retail at $7.95. But right now they are on sale for $6.45. I know that can be a lot, but this is a good shoe. It's gonna last long, okay? Next heel I got are the Giuseppe Denny heels. Y'all look. When I say that is a heel, do y'all see this? This is a heel. When I say high heels, this is what I mean, okay? Like I don't like chicken wing heels. I like high heels. These are so cute. These retail at like $7.50. But you can get them used for like $250 to $500. This is a classic Giuseppe heel. It's like one of the most popular Giuseppe heels. When it came out, it was just so popular. Honestly, these just make your feet look so cute. Like, your feet just look so cute in these. Like, sis, even if your toes are ugly, your feet will look so cute in these. Like, these are just so cute on my feet. Like, they're just so cute. They're just so cute. So these heels, they don't show, you know, that well right here, so I'm gonna definitely show you guys like me wearing them in the mirror. But these shoes are from Dull Skill also as well, and these shoes, you guys, I kid you not, like they just look like art to me. Like, some of my followers are like, yeah, get them. Some of them are like, no, when I did a poll on getting them. But I got these shoes because they look like art. Like the bow and everything, it just looks like art, and I just already could see the outfit that I would wear with these shoes. I think that's really important to me. Like, when I'm buying stuff, I want to be able to see what I'm gonna wear with it, you know? So for me, these shoes, when I saw them, I immediately thought of my huge red heart-shaped fur coat that I actually sold. But I do want to get that coat back because I actually really like that coat. I don't know why I even sold it. But I think that these heels will look so cute with that. So these heels retail at $98 on Dull Skill. I did get them for I think 15 to 25% off, and I got it with the other shoe, the first shoe I had shown. So if you're on Dull Skill, definitely check out their coupon codes. They usually, if you sign up for their email list, they'll give you a discount. I honestly got these shoes because they're a statement piece. To be honest, I really like shoes that are statement pieces, and I like to have a few shoes that aren't so statement pieces, a few shoes that are just like, you know, that you can wear every day, you know, like maybe like a good pump, a good strappy heel, a nice sneaker. But these shoes are solely for the purpose of statement, because if you guys know my style, I like statements. I like making statements with my fashion. So that's why I got these heels. So the next heel I'm gonna show you guys are these cute, like latex thigh-high boots from Fashion Nova. Y'all, if you guys are on Instagram, you guys know this heel is so popular. It's from Amina Amudi, and her heels usually go for like 2,000 or 1,000. Like her heels are usually really higher priced. They're higher end. It's luxury fashion. But Fashion Nova did really good on these like replicas, so I had to get these because I really like this trend. And I got these heels for $50. I think I got them for maybe 20% off or something. Fashion Nova always has deals on, you know, getting shoes for cheaper. But right now the shoes are on sale. They're $42 right now. I guess that's like a $7 difference. But if you add that with a coupon code, girl, you could probably get these shoes for like $30 with like a discount from Fashion Nova. I wore these heels during the last season of New York Fashion Week, and I got so many compliments on them. The only thing I will say about these heels is, probably just for me, it was hard to put them up my thigh. So even when I show you guys these in the video, it's like not probably gonna go all the way up on my thigh. But I did get it up on my thigh. It just took work while I was on the train. I did that. And also, it's easier for me, honestly, to get these up on my thigh when I'm wearing pants, I guess. When I wasn't wearing pants, it was a little bit harder, which I would think would be the other way around. But y'all, just get into this heel. Look at this heel. Beautiful. Very classy, very chic. I think it's a cool way to have a black, you know, thigh-high boot, which I also think black thigh-high boots are one type of shoe that you should have in your closet. Black thigh-high boots, black pumps, black strappy heels, you know, a cool pair of sneakers. Those are things that, sis, you should always try to have in your wardrobe. I think this is a cool way to make that, you know, look a little bit different. And of course, I just told you guys I really like that trend so much. So I got another heel like that, but in white. I actually got this heel first. I got these heels because I love this, right? And when I saw this, I immediately saw my outfit. I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear this with like an all white dress, you know, and blah, blah, blah. And sis, that's what I did. So these are cute. They kind of like have this feel where you can like, you know, push them down or whatever. They're not meant to just be like pulled all the way up, whereas the other heel, you pull it all the way up. These heels, they kind of have like, I don't know if I would say like a slouch or something to them. They're meant to look like they're being like squeezed, like the material's being like squeezed, you know? I wore these heels for 2 shoots I've done so far. I did one at a restaurant, I wore these heels, and I did one in Williamsburg and I wore these heels. I like these heels. Both of these heels are actually very comfortable, and for me, like in New York, especially in the winter when you're trying to like still look fashionable, I think it's really cool when you can get a heel or shoe that's like a statement shoe, but also you don't have to sacrifice the comfort, you know? Shoes were $60 when I got them, and now they're on sale for $48. These shoes are all on sale because I got these shoes like when it was colder and now it's getting warmer. But remember, you guys can always get discount codes from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova always has discounts. And last but not least, I have these really funky sneakers, these money heels. I guess you can say these are the only shoes that are flats that I've gotten recently, and they're still not even flat because y'all, I like heels, you know, I like things to be high in the sky. I love platforms. I'm like just a platform junkie. And the thing I like about these is they're funky, they're different. I just kind of felt like they'd be comfortable to like spruce up my outfit but still go out and do things, you know, comfortably. But let me tell you guys, actually, this shoe wasn't even that comfortable. There's a certain area on it, like right here, where when I put my foot, it like hurts, you know, maybe I need to wear it with like a thicker sock or something like that. These shoes are from Urbanog. They were $48, but I got them for $32 with the coupon code. All of these heels that I've gotten, I use some kind of code or a discount to obtain them, because y'all, we don't have time to just be spending just to spend. If there's a way that you can just find a coupon or something, or even have to wait until there is a coupon coming out, I recommend do it, especially if you're not waiting like crazy long time. There's no like serious event that you want to wear the shoe or item of clothing to. And this is the same thing for clothes, jewelry, everything, you know? That's really it, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers, you guys. It would mean so much to me. Maybe to other people that's not a lot, but to me it would mean so much to me to get up to there. So please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at FanelleLikeWhoa. Okay, love you guys. Bye.